today. She did start back up, but I know why she got hot. I said the reason why it shut off. But anyways, the reason why it shut off, cause she got too hot, and I feel it. Cause it's hot all up her. But she should be dead now. But yeah, she's great. It's just hot today. So once they cool off, once it cools off, it fire right back up and run. This is what we need. Can't lie. I knew I wasn't tripping. I was in front. I see some metal. Hold down. This. It flipped over. It flipped over, so. Yeah. We gotta use. What a small one. Oh. That one no more. I mean, we can just, let's say, technically, we straight without. We are good. So, hit y'all back once we cross. Yeah. Like a piece of bridge right there. I don't know where that come from. See that right there? Looks like a piece of bridge right there. But they land on that log. Yeah. Look, y'all, little baby fish. Little family home, too. I know, y'all, we're not trying to catch some baby fish right now. It's big fish in here, too. But they in that, I feel like they in that wooded area. Yeah, right there. Right where he threw it. I feel like they over there. No, they going towards it. Yeah, they get, but what? What? You can swipe it in. Let's see, y'all. Let's see what we can see over there. Last time I saw a big fish when I brung Black Freezer, but we weren't even fishing then. We'll just ride. I was parked the same spot he was parked at. And, looked at the back tire and I seen a big fish like right behind my tire. I was like, I screamed their name. Once I did that, I made a run. I was mad. I was like, dang, I should never call. I said I should have just whispered to y'all. But yeah. Yeah, it'll flood up here, y'all. It'll like, that's why that, see how that's laid down? Yeah, it'll flood too bad. I'm talking about flooded. I want to get up there. Stand right there, but I don't know. I don't know. I ain't trying to be like Lake Placid and something jump up out the water and snatch me up. I'm cool. We probably get right here though. So watch out. Snake. What is that? It's a frog, man. You wanna see that? What a baby frog, man. We in the wild for real. Yeah, I think they're deep. That ain't deep, but I'm gonna flood it back here, y'all. They were deep. You couldn't even hit that. For real, that ain't nothing to hit. Put the trees on. Peaceful back there though. It's the closest they came. Like literally right here, I can grab one on if I wanted to. Hey, right here. We could grab one on, gang. I ain't trying to do it though. Motor wise, it's a stock. Other than it has a tune, and that's it for real. Plug and play tune. Ain't no crazy tune, but it gets down. Well, you know, a little plug and play tune, but I feel like in the future we gonna turn it up a notch with the horsepower and the motor stuff. So it sounds good now, but yeah, I remember how the 800R sound. If you don't, I just heard some. Hold up, I should have got me another frog, man. Someone told me you gonna get a bite right here. Cause I told you when we first pulled up. I don't know if you noticed that water was moving real fast.
That's why I noticed too.
I was like, something in there. Yeah. That's another reason why. That's why I came down here. Cause I was looking. I was trying to see if I could see him, but then that screen right there too. So
it's right here in front of me too.
Hey.
Yeah, we gonna I got some more little fake bait too, so. Hopefully he bites me. Little whipping monster.
Oh. That's why he playing the smart too. Hey, it's baby fish right here too. Yeah, it's something big over here because it's baby fish over here. Oh, what is that? Same fish that was down now. Yeah, something down here. Sure that. First off, he done bit the line. Or to bit the frog. Watch out for snakes. But they do like a stuff like that. Second location, guys. We made it. Only reason why I ain't down there yet, because I had to see how it was first before I just take, you know, my boy 4-wheeler out first. I can't just do that. So it's 2 on, 3 on. But yeah, we made it. So let's get this bike across here. Got the bike down here. It was pretty easy for her, they creeped it down huh? But he's moving his up. Well, we didn't hit, gang. So we're going back to the first spot. He changed his date and yeah. I'll get back with y'all when we get back to the first spot. Go on and see over there. Dang, I can't see like I can't see through the water like I used to. Oh, there, I can see through the water. Fail. We did not make it. Well, we did not catch any fish. So